First, log into your occasion workspace and navigate to listings on the left sidebar menu. Next, click on My Templates and look for the template titled Gift Card Template. Click on Create Listing. This should redirect you to the gift card editor. Step 2. Enter basic gift card information. In this step, you should be able to enter a name for your gift card and enter a description giving a brief explanation of what the gift card can be used for. You might say something like, redeemable for any cooking class or workshop this gift card belongs to. Step 3. Set gift card pricing. Scroll down in the gift card editor and click on Add Pricing Question. Select drop-down list, pricing question, and add the title. Toggle on is required and add the denominations for your pricing options. When you are done, click Save. Step 4. Upload images. Next, let's add some images that reflect your cooking school. Go to the Image tab and on the side panel and click on Upload Image. Choose high quality photos that capture the essence of your cooking class, or concurrently add a picture of your gift card. Step 5. Set gift card expiration. If you need to set an expiration date for your gift card, head over to your account settings. Under your business, select Credit. Here, you can enter the number of days after which the gift card will expire, if that's applicable in your region. And that's it. You now have a gift card set up for your cooking school.